Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a topic that's all too familiar for many of us, credit card debt. If you are someone who is struggling to manage your credit card debt and looking for smart ways to tackle it, you have come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to share some valuable tips and strategies to help you manage your credit card debt smartly. So let's get started. Step number 1. Step number one is to understand your current financial situation. Before you can effectively manage your credit card debt, it's important to have a clear understanding of your overall financial picture. Start by gathering all your credit card statements along with any other debts you may have. Calculate the total amount you owe and note down the interest rates and minimum payments for each card. Once you have this information, you can create a realistic budget that incorporates your monthly income, expenses, and debt payments. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back on expenses and allocate more funds towards paying off your credit card debts. Step number 2. Step number two is to prioritize your debt strategically. Not all debts are created equal, especially when it comes to credit cards. Some cards may have higher interest rates or outstanding balances than others. The smart approach is to prioritize your debts based on factors such as interest rates, outstanding balances, and any penalties associated with late payments. Focus on paying off the credit cards with highest interest rates first while making minimum payments on others. Once the highest interest card is paid off, redirect the funds towards the next highest interest card. This method, known as debt avalanche strategy, helps you saving money on interest payments in the long run. Step number 3. Step number three is to consider the cash envelope system. One effective way to manage your credit card debt is by adopting the cash envelope system. Here now it works. Determine a realistic amount of money you can allocate towards discretionary expenses each month, such as dining out, entertainment, and shopping. Divide the amount into different labeled envelopes, each representing a specific spending category. Once you have spent all the money in a particular envelope, you won't be able to spend any more in that category for the month. This technique helps you control your spending, avoid unnecessary credit card charges, and prioritize your debt payments. Step number 4. Step number four is to utilize technology to track your spending. With the rise of smartphones and budgeting apps, managing your credit card debt has become easier than ever. There are several apps available that can help you track your spending, set financial goals, and monitor your progress. By using these apps, you can gain insights into your spending habits, identify areas where you are overspending, and make necessary adjustments. This level of awareness will empower you to take control of your finances and make smarter choices to pay off your credit card debt. Final and step number 5 is to seek professional help if needed. Sometimes managing credit card debt requires professional assistance. If you are feeling overwhelmed or struggling to make progress, consider reaching out to a reputable credit card counseling agency or a financial advisor. These professionals can provide personalized guidance and strategies tailored to your technique situation. They can negotiate with creditors on your behalf, help you create a realistic repayment plan, and provide valuable financial education to prevent future debt problems. And there you have it, 5 smart strategies to help you manage your credit card debt. Remember, it's crucial to stay committed, make conscious spending choices, and always prioritize your financial well being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more particular tips and personal finance. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.